Hi, this is Michael from Xplore Xpeng, and today I'm going to show you one of the really useful features that you have in the Xpeng G6 and pretty much all the range of the Xpeng vehicles is the charging pads. So in the G6 we have two charging pads and both have ventilation. Now that's quite unique in a lot of EVs that both will have ventilation. Sometimes you only get one, some cars don't have any. And these pads charge wirelessly up to 50 watts, so they're really powerful. And that's why you need the ventilation, because they do get hot with that amount of charge. And the cool thing as well with the Xpeng is that you can actually turn them on or off individually. So you don't have to have them both charging. You can put your phone on there without it charging. You shouldn't be charging the phone all the time. It doesn't do the battery any good. So a good thing you might want to do is have one on, one off, so you can place your phone on the one that's off when you don't want to charge and the one that's on when you do. Similarly, if you have two people in the car, you could turn them both off if you don't want to charge them, if they're already fully charged, or you can turn them both on if you need both phones charged. In addition to these, you've also got the USBs underneath the console here and two USBs in the back. The ones in the front generally are used for your media transfer. The back ones are charging only. So I have in the USB-A, I have my memory stick for the dash cam recordings, and then I have the USB-C spare. But you could also have another stick in there with films loaded onto it, so you could watch films from the memory stick, etc. So let me show you in the infotainment system where you go to turn these on or off. And also you can do it with voice now since the update 5.9.5, which I did a video of, and I'll put a link up here somewhere so you can watch that. You can now turn them on and off with your voice. So to show you where the settings are in the infotainment system, let's go into the vehicle settings and scroll down to charging and discharging. We then go over to power supply, and if you scroll down, we have the two options for smart device wireless charging. You have driver wireless charging and passenger side wireless charging, and you can turn those on or off. So currently I've got them both on, but if I turn off the driver wireless charging, I just heard the ventilation turn off, so that's now not blowing cool air underneath that phone. If we look on the phone, the battery symbol doesn't show it's charging. If I turn that on again, it comes up on the main screen, driver's wireless charging in progress, and on the phone we can see it's got the charging symbol against the battery. So similarly, if I turn off passenger side wireless charging and I move the phone across, I can hear the ventilation running. Now it's turned off. If I look at the phone, there's no charging symbol on it. If I press passenger wireless charging on, we get the message on the top of the screen, and on the phone it's popped up that it's now charging. So really simple. I often have my driver side off, so when I get in the car in the morning, charged phone overnight, I put it on my side and that's not charging. If I want to charge it, I'll switch it over to the passenger side. So if we turn both of those off, and now if I show you, we can also control it by our voice. So we can either press the button on the steering wheel or say, "Hey Xpeng,
Hi.
driver wireless charging on."
Wireless charging is already turned on for the driver's seat.
And you saw there that it toggled that to on. The phone popped up to say that's charging. I can hear the ventilation now start, and there was a message at the top there. So let's try that again, just this time with the button on the steering wheel.
Hi.
Driver wireless charging off.
Wireless charging is already turned off for the driver's seat.
And again, see that turn off on the screen. I heard the fan stop. So it's really nice and simple. The voice assistant is much better understanding what you want now, and that's a great little addition. So I'll just show the passenger side again. Hey Xpeng,
Hey there.
passenger wireless charging on.
Wireless charging is already turned on for the passenger's seat.
Passenger wireless charging off.
Wireless charging is already turned off for the passenger's seat.
And another cool feature this car has, if you leave a phone in the vehicle on the charging pad, it'll tell you before you have a chance to lock the doors. Watch this.
Mobile phone left in the vehicle.
Pretty cool, huh? So really simple video just to show you how that works for anyone who's interested in buying, doesn't know that has that functionality, or if you already got your car and again you didn't know that you control that by voice now, then I hope that helps you. If that has, please press like, subscribe if you haven't already for more useful videos like this, turn on notifications so you get alerted for the next videos coming up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.